Hey guys, how you guys doing? So today we are preparing turkey wings and jollof spaghetti. So as I finished braiding my hair, my client's hair, I was like, let me prepare something for dinner. So that was how I entered the kitchen. So I went to the store to pick up some groceries. Then I bought the turkey wings, and now I want to boil the turkey wing, fry the turkey wings, so we can eat it with the jollof spaghetti. So guys, just stay tuned and watch to the end. Bye bye guys.
I don't want to see her in that living room. Don't try me.